Hi, I'm Sam with Erie Home. We're here today to determine when it's time to replace your roof. So we're here on this roof that we're going to be replacing. In removal of it, we've discovered that this is a coal tar pitch, tar and gravel roof. Coal tar pitch is something that was utilized rampantly prior to the 1970s. By the 80s, they had all but completely eliminated the use of it. That alone indicates the age of this roof. The other problem with that is that in order to keep the coal tar from deteriorating, they add a layer of rock. That rock adds tons of weight to your roof, and over time, after a rain, it's trapping moisture. And that moisture is gonna sit there until it evaporates or it finds its way into your house. One of the things we notice first in our inspections is the use of plastic cement to seal off these walls. What ends up happening is it cracks, it breaks. This separation is going to allow water to get inside your house. So we're going to be replacing this roof with an EPDM system. Big box stores and major retail chains have been relying on EPDM systems for several years. Here at Erie Home, we found a way to utilize that on residential homes because we feel that our customers deserve the very best. And we found a way to make it both inexpensive and long-lasting for those customers. Erie Home can help. Click to schedule a free estimate today.